What's up, YouTube? I feel like it's been a while since I've done a vlog. I have been crazy busy, tons of work to do. But you know, here we are doing this shit. Nice and late for work. It's because I went to the license department to try to get some licenses sorted out, get my car registered and my bike re-registered, you know, just renewing stuff. And get there and I wait around and true as shit, fucking as per tradition.
As is, of course, the tradition.
The system is offline. That was a fail. So yeah, gotta go back to the license department at another stage and hopefully the system is back online then. That's just how things work around here. So I do have a topic today, and I would say it's somewhat controversial, and especially in the country we live in. Well, yeah, here in South Africa, racism is pretty rife, and it's definitely a sensitive subject. Certain things that you can and can't do, most of them you can't do for obvious reasons. The reason why I'm coming to you with this video today and this topic is not because it's been weighing on my mind. The only thing that's been weighing on my mind is if I should be doing this vlog or not, but I figured, you know, why not? Why not? Because at the end of the day, it's something that's serious, and it should be taken seriously. Because, like I said, racism in this country is a very serious issue. Let's catch those lights. Oh, that's why I love a bike. Car couldn't do that unless it's a supercar. But yeah, so it's a controversial thing we got going in this country, and it's not to be taken lightly, and especially nowadays with smartphones and video cameras on basically everyone, you can easily capture any sort of lapse in concentration. The video clip I'm going to show you, apart from the fact that I've been busy, I've been contemplating whether I should do it or not, but like I said, why not? It's a serious thing that should be discussed. I mean, if you guys have any comments, leave them down below. So one thing before I show this video is just I want to reiterate that, like, I'm aware that I have a shitty temper and I know I can handle things better. That being said, I think I'm very conscious of what comes out of my mouth, and I like to be controlled in what I say. It might come out with a lot of aggression and a lot of tone, but it doesn't mean that what I say is wrong. It probably just makes me an asshole.
You're not wrong, Walter, you're just an asshole.
Okay then.
But fuck, at the end of the day, I'm on a motorbike driving on the roads of fucking South Africa. Safety is an issue for me, so I'm not trying to justify being an asshole, but it's definitely a concern for me, you know? People who drive on these roads are so oblivious to things around them. That shit could be a serious fucking issue, you know what I mean? Like I said, I'm on a bike, and I watched this good YouTube video made by Ryan from Fortnite about being on a bike and invisibility and stuff like that, and it's kind of what I've said before. You know, you're on a bike, you got to be fucking careful of everyone and everything. That guy didn't even stop. And I'll tell you now, if I wasn't so lazy, I could probably go and sift through a bunch of footage and show you and break down little clips and montage some shit together of people on the daily being fucking crap at driving. But fuck, have I digressed. The topic at hand here is the video I'm about to show you. Yeah, have a look and decide for yourself. Please be gentle. Like, I don't consider myself a racist at all, and I know everyone fucking says that, but like, I really don't. You know, I'm all against stupid people. What's the word for that? I'm a stupid personist. Is that a thing? Yeah, like I said, I'm a stupid personist. I'm against stupid people. I feel we all have a brain, and it doesn't require a high IQ to fucking do the right thing, you know? And forgive my ignorance, because, you know, sometimes I'm wrong. A lot of the time when people do something fucked up, like they're aware they're doing something fucked up. I know there's occasions where it doesn't happen and people do generally make mistakes. I'm aware of that. My thing is, if someone apologizes for their mistake and they're aware of the mistake they made, so hopefully going forward they won't do it again, then I'm cool. Like, I can recognize if you apologize and you're like, listen bro, I fucked up, I'm sorry. Then I'm like, damn son, that shit's cool. I'm alright, you know. I accept your apology. Let's move on with life. You've learnt, we've learnt, you know. Conversation over. It's when people fucking tend to argue. Sorry, I have to concentrate in this traffic. It's when people tend to argue the point of them fucking up, you know what I mean? It's like, nah, bitch, you fucked up. You own your fucking consequences. Whatever, the video that I show you, fucking first thing the guy does is deny it. I'm like, nah, fucker, I have you on camera, you can't deny shit. Then I'm like, no, well, I can prove to you that you were wrong. And then, you know, then there's a sense of cockiness and the arrogance that follows. A whole bunch of attitude that, you know, I really didn't want to deal with from the beginning, but alas, it happened. Well, anyways, tell me what you think of the video. What lane are you in, bro? You were in that lane, and you came into my lane without indicating. You must indicate if you're changing lanes. I'm in my own lane, I don't need to indicate anywhere. You were in that lane. You were in that lane. Yes, you were. I have you on camera, bruh. Then I will fucking prove it to you. Pull over and we can watch the footage. Come, let's pull over, I'll show you the footage. Huh? No, bro, I'm on a bike. I can easily die. You're in a fancy car. Use your eyes. It's only fair. I was in my lane. You were in that lane. You changed from that lane to this lane without indicating. Racist? About what? Where the... How was I racist? What did I say that was racist? What did I say that was racist? But what did I say that was racist? Please explain to me what I said that was racist.
You, my friend, are an exceptionally racist individual.
What did I say that was racist?
In this car, you wouldn't speak in the radio.
Are you fucking kidding? Jesus Christ! Go fuck yourself! I did not say anything racist. Shut your fucking mouth. Fucking hell. I thought you were a cop. Bet you're not. So yeah, now you've watched the video, I hope you kind of watched it from a neutral perspective. I guess you should have. I hope you can see that, like, from the video, like, I don't think I was in the wrong. I know I got a little bit aggressive, but at the end of the day, that guy fucking denied everything and he gave me attitude. And then had the audacity to fucking come with that shit. Anyways, leave a comment below, letting me know what you think. Fuck, I'll say sorry if I'm wrong. I'll gladly admit that I'm in the wrong if I am. But I don't think I am. What this guy did illustrates just how serious things can get so fucking quickly.